highlighting the crippling impact of the cease work strike being undertaken by all tankers and LPG bullet drivers. Conveners of Manipur petroleum dealers, transporters and LPG fraternity have sought immediate interventions of the Chief Minister to resolve the matter. Conveners of Manipur petroleum dealers, transporters and LPG fraternity yesterday submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister, CAF and PD Minister, Chief Secretary, Secretary Advisor to Government of Manipur, DGP and state heads of IOCL, BPCL, HPCL and Naraya Energy Asher. The memorandum conveyed that all stockholders, including POL drivers associations, POL transporters, bulk LPG and petroleum dealers of Manipur held a meeting on the current issue. After interacting with the aggrieved drivers, it has been understood that the issue being faced by POLs and bulk LPG drivers on National Highway number 37 Imphal-Jiribam route is of severe nature, which involves firing at vehicles, physical assault and harassment of drivers and rampant extortions of multiple areas, which is increasing day by day, it said.